So this is Rochelle from the DIY Affiliate, and I usually make step-by-step video tutorials, but today I'm doing something different. I was doing some house cleaning, and in my cupboard I noticed I had a bag of potatoes that I hadn't looked in for months. And when I opened it up and I just opened the bag, I could see the eyes like growing right outside of the bag. This potato here created this great big long eye, and this is not camera trickery or anything else like that. This potato created this, and this potato here created this eye. So I just thought I'd make a very quick video just to show you that it's so easy to use your cell phone, create content, and upload it to YouTube. And that's just what I'm going to do. So if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified in the next crazy video that I do. Until then, stay safe and have a wonderful evening.